The fetus at 34 weeks of pregnancy already has the appearance of a newborn. In addition to having a head that is more proportionate to the rest of the body, it shows almost all the features of its little face. Many babies already have chubby cheeks by the 34th week of gestation. Its skin is becoming pinker and is less wrinkled due to the accumulation of fat deposits. It is capable of distinguishing between light and darkness. It also refines its sucking and swallowing reflexes at the same time, which will allow it to feed on breast milk when born, coordinating them with breathing. By the end of this week, the baby measures about 44 centimeters in length and weighs around 2,200 to 2,300 grams on average. On the other hand, the pregnant woman may not feel as many movements from her baby since there is less space in the uterus for it to move. However, when it does move, it will be intense. Additionally, the baby will be descending through the pelvis to prepare for the moment of birth.